Day 27 of 30 and welcome to Block 6, the final block of this series. Longevity and balance. We have covered foundation, testosterone, cortisol, thyroid, and insulin. Now we talk about the hormones that keep you young, keep your body clock running, and tie everything together. Today we start with growth hormone, your body's overnight repair crew. Let me ask you something. Why do children heal so fast? A kid scrapes their knee and it's gone in 2 days. An adult gets a paper cut and it takes a week. Why? The answer is growth hormone. Children have high levels of growth hormone. It's what makes them grow, heal fast, and have endless energy. As we age, growth hormone naturally declines. By age 40, you have half as much as you did at 20. By age 60, most people have very little left. That's why healing slows down, muscle disappears, and skin sags. Growth hormone is released while you sleep, specifically during deep sleep. The problem is most people don't get enough deep sleep. They sleep 6 hours but only get 1 hour of deep sleep. They stay up late watching screens. They eat right before bed. They drink alcohol in the evening. All of these things reduce deep sleep. And less deep sleep means less growth hormone. Your overnight repair crew never shows up for work. Here's what the research shows. Growth hormone is released in pulses, mostly during the first few hours of sleep. The largest pulse happens about 1 hour after you fall asleep. If you don't get into deep sleep within the first hour, you miss the biggest pulse of growth hormone for the entire day. A 2023 study in the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine found that people who slept less than 6 hours had 70% less growth hormone release than those who slept 8 hours. Growth hormone is like the night cleaning crew at an office building. You go home at 6 p.m. At midnight, the cleaning crew comes in. They vacuum, empty trash, fix things. In the morning, everything is clean and working. Now imagine the cleaning crew doesn't show up for months. Trash piles up. Things break. The office falls apart. That's what happens to your body when growth hormone is low. The night crew is on permanent vacation. Here are 5 ways to boost growth hormone naturally. 1. Get deep sleep. Go to bed by 10 or 11 p.m. Your biggest GH pulse happens in the first few hours. 2. Exercise intensely. HIIT and heavy strength training spike growth hormone. 3. Fast for 12 hours overnight. Don't eat 3 hours before bed. 4. Lower your sugar intake. High insulin blocks growth hormone. 5. Don't eat right before bed. Late night eating kills deep sleep. Today you learned that growth hormone is your body's repair crew. It's released during deep sleep. It declines with age. But you can boost it: deep sleep, intense exercise, overnight fasting, low sugar, and no late night eating. Tomorrow we talk about DHEA and melatonin, the hormones that control your internal clock and how fast you age. This has been Info Vital. If you want to age slower and heal faster, sleep is your best tool. Hit like, subscribe, and share with someone who stays up too late. See you tomorrow on day 28.